Hello there! Today we will talk about self-management. Are you ready to learn and have some fun? Let's start! Self-management is one of the 5 core competencies of social-emotional learning. What is self-management? Self-management is about controlling your own feelings, thoughts, and making good choices. Here are the top 5 self-management skills. These are setting goals, time management, organization, decision-making, and self-control. Our first self-management skill is setting goals. Setting goals is like planning secret missions. It could be finishing homework or learning something new. Having a plan helps you know where you're going. Ace had a plan to build a Lego castle in a week. He split his plan into 7 parts and built 1 part each day. By the end of the week, Ace finished the castle, and yay! He reached his goal! Time management is like being a captain of your day, where you decide how much time to spend on different activities. Ping wanted to get ready for school without rushing, so he made a morning routine schedule. He finished everything on time and caught the school bus with a smile. Ready for the next skill? It's all about organization. Being organized means keeping things in order so you can find what you need easily. Shine keeps her room tidy by organizing her toys. Her room looks neat, and finding toys becomes quick and easy. Now let's talk about decision-making. Decision-making is the same as being a detective. You look at your choices and decide which are the ones to use to help you solve the mystery. Rain wanted a snack, but couldn't decide what to have. She thought about what would be a healthier choice for her and decided on a juicy apple. And lastly, we have self-control. Self-control is choosing to do important things instead of fun things now. Kit wanted to watch a television program, but she also had homework. She chose to complete her homework before enjoying the television program. Being in charge of ourselves helps us grow, feel strong, and be happy. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channels to watch more learning videos about how social-emotional learning is important for all of us. Goodbye and see you again next time!